What'd you get?
Oh, Ray-Bans.
The ladies are out riding horses. Oh, that's cold. And we are metal detecting in this beautiful creek in Calvin's Fishing. And we're just gonna see if we can find anything. We're not looking for snakes, I can tell you that. I found an old pocket knife down here. Now that is cool. It's definitely just a piece of one, but look at that. The wood's all rotted away and everything. That's neat. There's lots of signals out here. Mostly iron. This guy was sneaking up on me. I just stepped on this pretty much, and it looks like an old wagon wheel or a piece of a wagon.
Something like that.
Look at that.
That's cool.
That is weird. And then this wire was hanging there, but obviously that's not old. But this is very strange. These rays of light coming through.
Pretty cool. Do it underwater.
Put your hand under there. Look at that. That's so cool. Well, I'd say the coolest thing is probably this old piece of a wagon that we found. We didn't find much else. It's gonna get deep right here though. Oh. Whew. And the girls are back from horseback riding. It's pretty clear. I'm gonna go in. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna put these on, I'm gonna mount the GoPro right on there, and then I'm gonna get out into that water. I've got a wetsuit on, but it's a shorty, so I'm gonna freeze my legs off.
Makes this heart beat faster.
I wonder if they're real.
They are.
They're pretty hammered. Nice find, dude. Ray-Bans are not cheap. That's find number one. We now find ourselves at a park called Sycamore Flats. Very, very pretty. Great for fishing. And a cool hangout spot right here along the river.
Dad, a fish just jumped.
And a fish just jumped. Corinne just eyeballed sunglasses.
How do I look?
Nice eyeball, but they have no arms on them. Oh, man, everybody's finding glasses on this trip except for me. Lots of these pull tabs because I was digging for midtones. This is actually probably the coolest pull tab I've ever got. I know that sounds stupid, but this one has a design on it and it's polished from the river. Got a fish hook, some kind of weird debris, piece of aluminum, this big old clip. Corinne found these glasses. Nice to get things like this out of the river. And luckily it still had this ring on it, so that's what showed up on my detector. And then this kind of odd polished aluminum thing. And hey. We found ourselves a nice spot. Isn't this pretty? Kids are fishing down there. I'm an optimist and I'm gonna try to swing this detector. Got a quarter in the middle of the creek. Let's see what we got here. It's a stater, but so it's nothing too great. Okay, didn't find much. Got some trash out of the river and got a quarter. Yippee. And I highly recommend, if you can take a trip here to Brevard, North Carolina, that you do so. Hey, if you like our videos, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Wanna heal your sorrow, just